Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make double chocolate Oreo chunk cookies. They're chocolate cookies with white chocolate chunks and Oreo chunks, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, you can use an electric hand mixer, but I prefer to use the stand mixer. Add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and beat them on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes. Then turn the speeds down to low, and add in the eggs. Egg yolk, this is optional, it just gives the cookies a fudgier and chewier texture, but it's up to you. And vanilla extract. Then turn the speed up to high again and beat it for a minute. Then turn the speeds down to low again, and slowly add in the dry ingredients. And mix it until it's just combined. Then finish it by hands to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then add in the chopped up white chocolate, or you can use white chocolate chips. And also coarsely chop some Oreo cookies. You can crush them in a plastic bag, but I prefer to do it this way to get more texture. And then add them into the cookie dough. And mix them in until they're combined. Then scoop them onto an ungreased baking sheet, spacing them at least 1.5 inches. Then bake them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then once they're done, remove them from the oven and let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool completely. And that's how to make double chocolate Oreo chunk cookies. Be sure to check out my channel because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.